Welcome to Tax Tips in a Minute with Mike and Ryan. I'm Mike.
And I'm Ryan.
Today, we're going to talk about a serious topic. It's the pig butchering investment scam. Ryan, can you explain what pig butchering is?
Sure, Mike. Pig butchering is a new term that's been introduced into the tax world, and it's a type of investment fraud where scammers fatten up their victims with promises of high returns before slaughtering their savings, which sounds awful, but the name comes from the idea of fattening a pig before butchering it.
This scam often starts with a random message from a stranger on a text message or on social media or even a dating app. What are some of the warning signs that people can watch out for?
Key signs would be unsolicited messages from strangers, promises of high returns with little risk, and pressure to invest quickly.
So, how do you recommend people can protect themselves against this scam?
Just common sense a lot of times, and verify investment opportunities, be cautious of unsolicited advice, and never ever share personal financial information with someone you haven't met in person.
Are there any tax implications or anything that tax-wise victims can be aware of if they run into one of these scams?
Yeah, the information that was released from the IRS earlier this year addressed these pig butchering scams specifically, and unfortunately, victims can face tax consequences. For example, when funds are withdrawn from a retirement account like an IRA or a 401k to invest in these scams, there might be income tax on withdrawals, maybe a 10% penalty if you're under 59 and a half. And even though the money is stolen, the IRS could still require you to pay some taxes.
Is there any relief available for victims of scams?
There is. And going back to the information released from the IRS earlier this year, when they did address the pig butchering investment scams, did look like there is maybe a deduction available for theft losses under Section 165, which can be an enormous help in a situation like this.
All right, everyone. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't let scammers butcher your savings.